This shot is known as the drop cam. Yo, what is up? Today, I am at MacRitchie Reservoir, one of the most popular spots for trails in Singapore. So I thought I'll share with you a simple filmmaking technique to elevate your next video. Check this out. The drop cam is basically a static shot placed at a strategic location in anticipation of an action happening within its frame. Though it might require a little bit of effort setting up, the resulting shot adds so much more depth and flair to your vlog. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Alright, let's get the frame. Now, let me show you how to set up the shot. Step 1, find a vantage point. I just noticed these amazing vines coming down from this tree. So this would be a perfect spot to place my camera in anticipation of me running down this trail. Let's see how it goes. Now that we got the camera set up, let's start recording and wait for the action to take place. Let's go! Alright. That's it. As simple as that. Let's check out the shot. Like I said, super simple tip to elevate your video. Try it out! Now, here is a cool transition that you can try. Set up the shot and run towards the camera. And now that you've ran past the camera, rotate the camera and this time around, jump over it. How was that? How was that? So, to sell the transition, make sure the leg that is leaping over the camera is the same. In this case, I'm using my left leg. Check it out one more time. And because I know that I will be under a huge canopy throughout this run, I would recommend to bump up your ISO to 1600 in low light condition. At the same time, I am using the Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. That includes the medium mode and the light mode to ensure that the subject matter, me, stays well lit throughout the run. What do you guys think? Huh? Wow, how beautiful is this place? And that's it for this week's video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed producing it. It is starting to rain, so see you guys in the next upload. Yo! What do you know? What do you know? Made it back just in time.